Hey friend, welcome to Self-Transformed, a podcast redefining self-care through simple fitness, nutrition, and mindset habits. I'm your host, Emily Nichols, certified personal trainer, Whole30 coach, and Taco Tuesday enthusiast. Hey, I know the struggle is real when it comes to taking care of you. I too am a busy working mom who felt physically and emotionally drained until I took action on my own transformation journey. I finally found the solutions to feeling confident and living a healthy lifestyle that doesn't feel hard, and now I'm on a mission to equip you with sustainable tools to help transform your life from the inside out, guilt-free. Together, we will simplify your health and fitness into daily habits that don't feel like another thing on your long to-do list, but daily actions that light you up instead. So if you're ready to redefine self-care and step into your own self-transformation, then let's do this. Hey gang, welcome back to this week's Habit Hack Thursday episode, where I will share a quick tip to help you establish another healthy habit in your life without it feeling overwhelming or like another crazy thing to do on your to-do list. So this one is a simple one. It is focused around your mindset. Before I reveal this week's habit hack though, I want to remind you that the next round of Self-Transform You is starting up on March 21st. And I just made a big announcement in our Facebook community. Hey, if you're not in the community, why not? Come join us over there. It's a great way to connect with other busy working moms. I host a monthly free mini workshop there. We just did one on balance. There's a link in the show notes, okay? Come join us over there. Go to bit.ly/self-transformedfam to join us there. But anyways, at the end of this month's workshop, we were talking all about balance, and I revealed that my mini course, the Habits That Stick Starter Kit, is now being included within Self-Transform You. I'm super excited. I've gotten a lot of great feedback about that mini course, and that it's such a great strategy to help you start thinking about how to make habits work in your life. We obviously cover habit strategy pretty deep in Self-Transform You, but this is next level, and it's a way for you to save your spot in Self-Transform You now. Wait till it to start on March 21st, but you can go through the Habits That Stick Starter Kit now as you are weighing. That way you're even more prepared and have some data, have some opportunity to get started on some new habit strategies before we start building out that sustainable, customized health plan for you through Self-Transform You. Now, Self-Transform You, it's a 4-week program. It's my signature program. Each week we will build on your new habits, okay? Your new healthy habits. We'll focus first on your mindset. We'll go through my taco method for habit change. We'll go through the second week talking about my 3-step food freedom method. We'll talk about the next week, joyful movement. The last week we'll talk about what to do when you lose motivation or life gets in the way. But all along the way, we're focused on habit strategy, getting some data about yourself, and at the end, you have a customized health plan backed by habit strategy, even a stronger foundation now that we're including the Habits That Stick Starter Kit within the program. So I'm so excited to do this. I've been thinking about doing it for a while, and I'm going to go ahead and do it here for this round starting March 21st. Now, the price will be going up just a little bit in April to compensate for including that extra course. I'll be revamping the program just a little bit as well. If you're already an STU alumni, you'll get all of the updates as well, which is super exciting for you. I love that, because once you enroll in STU, you get all the updates. Anything I make in addition to the course or upgrades based on client feedback, you get that too, okay? So go to selftransformu, just the letter u.com. There's a link in the show notes as well to reserve your spot March 21st before the price goes up on STU. Get the Habits That Stick Starter Kit. Go ahead and dig deep into that now. Trust me, it's not going to take you a lot of time to go through this, and it's super important that you learn this data about yourself so you can make that everlasting transformation in your life. And the beauty is you can always keep going through this again and again as the seasons of your life change. So friend, if you're tired of starting and stopping, this is the key. This is the key to sustainable health for you. So I hope to see you within the March 21st round of Self-Transform You. Okay, let's talk about this week's habit hack. I was really thinking about something along the lines of mindset, and it's something that I feel very strongly about, and it is the way we talk about the things we are given the opportunity to do. I think it's more important to have I get to attitude versus I have to attitude. So let me further explain. So moving your body, for example, I get to move my body. I'm blessed with health that I am able to walk every day. I'm blessed with health to be able to go to an Orange Theory workout. I'm blessed with health to be able to move my bodies in a way that challenges me or just renews my soul. Versus I have to go work out. I have to go move my body. That just doesn't sound as fulfilling and as joyful, right? Saying I get to, even if it's just in your head versus I have to, is a huge habit hack. So every time you hear yourself saying in your head, oh, I have to go do this, and especially in regards to something that's helping you personally or even professionally or just in regards to your self-care, if it's something that is going to light you up from the inside out, change the way you view it and say, I get to instead of I have to. So every time you don't want to get out of bed to go to that workout, say, I get to. I am blessed with health to be able to move my body. Every time you think, oh my gosh, I don't want to run my kid to another practice, say, I get to watch my kid enjoy a sport and be part of a team and do something they love. And I get to do that because I have a job that I'm blessed with to be able to pay for gas for my car. It's all about perspective and focusing on gratitude, okay? Gratitude is one of the keystone habits we talk about in Self-Transform You, one of those small wins that we get ASAP and STU to be able to focus on what really matters. And that focuses and that changes with the way you view things. So today's habit hack, every time you find yourself, feeling not motivated, every time you feel yourself feeling like, oh, I don't want to do this or you don't want to do that, change it from I have to I get to, and do that with a joyful, grateful heart. I promise you, the more you do it, the more it will turn into an unconscious habit that doesn't feel hard. And friend, you've just shifted your mindset into a negative or fixed mindset into a positive and growth mindset. And that is where true transformation is, friend. So I hope you enjoyed this week's habit hack. Let me know if this resonated with you on Instagram or in our Facebook community. Any questions about Self-Transform You, friend, you can find a lot of those questions answered at selftransformu.com, or you can even text me at 773-904-2157. That is a direct line to me. I will text you back any answers to any questions you have. I can't wait to see you in Self-Transform You on March 21st. You can get it now. Go through the Habits That Stick starter kit and watch that massive transformation happen. I can't wait. I'll see you then, friend. Hey girl, real quick, before you go, if you love today's show and know your girlfriends need to hear this message too, then grab a screenshot, post it to your Instagram stories, and tag me at EmilyNichols22, because the more mamas out there hearing this message, the more empowered we'll all feel to take care of ourselves so we can pour from a full cup. Or the number one way you can thank me for this podcast is to leave a rating and review in iTunes. That way, more mamas will find the show here too. Love you and appreciate you, girlfriends. See you next time.